If I said that there is a way that how to create your course in one day and get converted results for your team also with that, or you can say your students or anyone, your clients for from that course, then how would it sound? And this works for MLM as well as for other businesses. Hey, Deepesh this side, and I just wanted to introduce myself. It's been 7 years in a network marketing industry, and I have been doing network marketing business from last 7 years. I've worked with many coaches. I have some other businesses also. I have my Amazon business. I have my coaching business that I also help network marketers to scale their business and to just get their idea into the, you can say, selling machine with my 7 step proven formula, which I use basically, and which I am going to just disclose here also one of them. And just gonna help you also to create your course, and you can say one day, right? Also, you are, does not matter you are in any industry, but if you want to create your course, if you want to be a coach, if you want to start your consulting business, then this strategy will work for your any kind of niche, any industry, in any industry. And if you want to know that how I did that in a one day and getting not overwhelmed with the research and you can say planning and everything, then just like, subscribe, and you can say press a bell icon in this video so that I can come up with more new videos. But yes, you can just pause this video and you can just do that, because if you want to know that okay, what are the fundamentals I followed, because before this I failed on two courses. I buy everything, and means first thing which I buy was the ClickFunnels, you can say subscription to get the membership area. Then I invested on that, I invested on course creators, I invested on my research, my time, and it took me 30 days to create my first course, and that was flop. Right? That creating a course in one day is something, the mythology that creates your fundamentals of business in your knowledge, and your knowledge in such a way that you can just come up with an idea that what your customers, what your students will like, and you can just give them all in, you can see, your course, right? So coming to the point that okay, how to create a course in the one day, and basically if I talk about this video is for MLM people, not only for MLM people but for any course creator, for any consulting business, for any coaching business. Does not matter you are in e-commerce, does not matter you are in real estate, health products, or you can say direct selling product, or any other coaching business, or you can say any other you can say consulting business, right? So does not matter what business you are, but if you are a coach, consultant, or course creator, then this will help you definitely, right? So uh, like thought behind you can say creating the course in one day was that okay, I how I can give something valuable to my team so that they can get results. Because what you just what the myth is there is that in MLM only the person sitting above gets you can say successful, but the person sitting, you can say, down, or you can say in downline, does not get successful. So that is why I just converted my entire network marketing platform to a coaching business, and I started providing the course to someone who just onboarded with me in my team, and to whom I recruited directly, or to whom my team has recruited in their team, right? So they should also get the support, right? I was giving the coaching calls, but coaching calls were something that my team was not duplicating for their team, right? So that is why I decided that I will create a course so that they can just get into it. So first course which I created and I just launched, like took my 30 days to launch it, but that got failed, right? My team does not love that much, they were not investing time there, they were not hanging around with my course, they were not loving the content what I was talking about, because it was so messy, and means I was not having a proper system, I was not knowing that what I'm educating them, right? And that is why they do not get result from that, and that got failed, right? Most probably I got three sales only from that course, and like that was also flop, right? Then I just you can say ended up with the solution that okay, I will not create the course. And this journey became this much that I was sitting one day and I was like story behind getting my first course was that uh, I was just sitting there in my, you can say, college, and I was having the team of I think 20 or 30 people, and this is 1 year back thing, right? Coming to my first online failed, you can say, course failed with this mistake. So the mistake I did was I made that according to my point of view, right? Not from the you can say team, or you can say my customer point of view, right? That was my biggest mistake which I did. And in network marketing, there is a fundamental that what you do, just duplicate that to your team. But I did not duplicated that to my team. I just educated them on that, right? Because course is something where is like thought process behind that, that you are giving your entire knowledge which you have learned or implemented, right? Learned or earned, I always say learned or earned, right? So I gave that, but that was not up to the point, and that did not give me the result. So this was my mistake which I made, and it got failed for my MLM business, right? If you are a business owner, and if you are in some other industry, or if you are in MLM industry only, then this also works for you, right? Don't give what you love, just ask them and give them what they want. Maybe you are good at funnel designing, but they are not good at Facebook ads, right? They're good at funnel designing well, right? So you need to give them what they want, right? Not what you want. So now talking about that, my next online course that helped me to recruit 100 plus new teammates in 30 days. So how this happened, my first then like when I just got failed with my course, actually my then my friend was there in my college, and I was discussing with him everything, that okay, I wanted to do this, my team is not growing, I'm not educating them, I'm not giving them, you can say, knowledge that how I am building my team. Because for my recruiting process, I was having three-step process, that lead generation, webinar, and closing. I was knowing that, but right, because I've learned that, but I was not duplicating that. So that was my problem, right? So what I decided, I just you can say discussed this thing with him. Then what he said was that just do one thing, uh, before creating your course, just start educating others on you can say live webinars, and then record that thing and just create your course. And this does not came to my mind before, that yes, I can do this actually, right? And that changed my entire thought process, that created my first working, or you can say course, which did well and helped me and my team to recruit 100 plus new people in 30 days. Means my team and me, including me, we just recruited 100 plus people after that, from all over the world, in our network marketing company with which we were working with, right? So uh, that course created in such a way that when I was just doing a webinar, like when I just invited people to just show my business opportunity, I just announced that they will get a course. And once they onboarded, I was bit scaring that time, because I was not having my course prepared at all, right? What I did was I just announced, and once they onboarded, after that I just announced that I'm going to do 2 days workshop first of all. And once that workshop is done, then you guys are going to be you can say getting that course which I have talked about. So the process began with this thing, that I announced the 2 days workshop, and like I was just clueless that what to do. Now what I designed there was, because I was just familiar with the Russell Branson's idea of challenge, right? 5 day challenge, 2 days challenge, 1 day challenge. So I just announced 2 days challenge to build your entire system after coming with me and starting your business online, right? So sorry, it was not for 2 days, it was for 5 days, right? 5 days challenges. So there were modules on the, you can say, different 5 days, as Russell Brunson does in FHL, right? So what I did was I just announced that okay, 5 days business development challenge, and you are most welcome, and I would just take you from step by step everything by hand holding, and you can ask your questions as well. So I did this thing, and after 5 days, what I did was I just started researching, my investing my time on the topics which I was going to cover, right? I started educating them live there. They loved it so much, they got their attention so much, that then I just edited all the clips, I just I just created a course. I just created the modules, named them, and on 5 days I just you can say covered everything, that how to begin with your research process, how to begin with your product process, how to begin with your audience research process, then how to create your offer, how to create your sales funnel, how to create your webinar funnel, how to create your bridge funnel, how to understand companies fundamental, how to understand companies marketing plan, how to understand companies, you can say, portal, how to buy the products, how to sell the products, how to do direct selling of the products, how to recruit more people, how to create a lead generation machine, right? Then how to drive traffic to your you can say funnel, or you can say your Facebook group, how to grow your Facebook group. So means I covered everything there, right, on modules. And that was something which I gave 5 days, and we were having 4 hours non-stop, you can say, workshop for 5 days. And those 100 people, and before that I was having a team of I think 20 or 30 people, that was enjoying that very much, right? So what I did was I just created a course. I just poured everything in that, inside that course, and my course was ready. Now today also, if someone comes, they get that course, and they just blew up with that energy, because there are live things going on, and they are just recording everything, and we are just talking to each other. The question coming to their mind, for example, if I am watching a course and some question came in my mind, so if I was doing that live, that question was asked by someone 2 years ago in same, you can say, meeting, and the person watching it today just get that solved immediately, right? And still I did not close doing 5 days challenge every month. So for new people and for existing people, with my new to new content, and from that content, whichever video I like, that this was the something which should be in the modules, I just add on that in course every month, right? So this is the thing you should also adopt, and this will create you the course, right? Next course. Now how my next course helped my teammates mates massively. So uh, the process in my network marketing is that I just host webinars for my team also, till the time they're not at the level means there are some levels to just clear in my business, in my network marketing company. So once they achieve that level, what is the level I have kept, means once they start earning dollar 15K per month, then they can just host their own webinar by creating their ppts and everything. Till they do not reach to dollar 15K per month, I just host the webinar for their team also, right? So this is the strategy what I do. And I did my webinar from that time, and today my team is also getting on automation people. They get that course. What I did was I just created affiliate program of that course, that yes, if someone comes directly with me, they will get this course. If now, if they're recruiting someone, then if that person is coming with them and buying my course, because my course is coaching program is also having a cost, so that cost will be divided as 60 to 40 percentage as a business partner, from that, from me and from the person who will recruit the third person. So they will get 60% and I will get 40%. So this is the way we are just managing, and we are just growing our business. So I'm just helping them to grow their business and to helping their team. So if for example there are 100 recruits just down below to me, they are getting that help today also. So coming to end point, that if you are creating your online course today, and if you want to create in a day, you are getting overwhelmed with ideas, because today also I talk with coaches and consultants. They say that we are planning, we are just writing modules, we are just planning ppts, and we are just getting overwhelmed that how to sell that. Then don't get overwhelmed, right? So my only advice is just get into the process, just start marketing your course, design your package, start getting people for your coaching business, and then just host 5 days or 2 days webinar, or you can say challenge, in such a way that they should get live interaction with you when you just teach them on anything, right? And that content should be researched. Yes, invest that time on those 2 days. Don't look at that, okay, I have to create entire, you can say, uh, 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 course, and I have to bring perfection in first course only. No, perfection never comes in first course. If you see the course creators, the successful course creators, they always have one course, then they launch 2.0 after 2 years, then they launch 3.0 after, you can say, 4 years, and then they get actual course which is working for them for lifetime of period, right? So that is why start with one course, does not matter how many modules it should have. I remember my successful course was having at only I think 15 to 16 videos and like 4 to 5 modules only, nothing else. And then slowly gradually I just growed in 2 years, and today my course is having near about I think 64 videos and some recordings, some live recordings, some you can say new videos which I just created on some weekend, and I just added them into the course. So this is the way you can just increase your course and increase your value. Don't get overwhelmed with first you can say that how to create your course, because if that does not sold out, then you will just get more overwhelmed and in depression. So this is my whole advice. Hope you love this video. If you love this video, and if you are someone looking to get help with your network marketing business, because I specifically help network marketers to grow with my 3-step framework, then does not matter with any other network or marketing company you're working with, maybe Amway, maybe Forever Living, maybe any product supplement company, anything. Just DM me a message on my messenger. Let's talk. And if you want, I should guide you, I should help you, I should create everything for you. I should just design this course, I should design webinar, I should design your marketing plan like Facebook ads, YouTube channel. Then just DM me. If you are a great fit, let's talk to each other and just start on the project. So this is my offer for all the network marketers, and if you are watching this video from today or from after a year, most welcome. And you can also ask your questions if you want, on either on the comment section, or you can say on my messenger. I'm always mostly active on my messenger, and I would just love to you can say help you or guide you, right? So this is the video, and this will help you for any kind of business. Hope this strategy works for any kind of business. Just comment below and let me know that okay, what was your first course, or what was your first course from which you were overwhelmed, and how you created that. Just comment below that how you created that and where you are just now in creating your course. I will just review that comment, I will just guide you that what steps you need to do next, and just launch your course. Thank you.